Assalamu alaikum. Hello learners and viewers. Welcome to all. Hope you are all well in this pandemic situation, staying home. I am Mohammad Shahinur Rahman, Assistant Teacher, English, Danbir Haji Mohammad Mohsin School, Jashore Sadar Jashore. Today, I am here to take a class on voice tense. A sentence can be either active or passive. In active sentence, the subject performs the actions, but in passive sentence, the subject receives the action. That is why voice tense is of two kinds: active voice and passive voice. It is also can be said that the voice tense is called the physical exercise of English, because here the subject, verb, and object needs to be exchanged. So I am here to show you how to do active to passive voice. So student should follow the 5 steps serially to make active sentence into passive sentence. The first things is that active voice এর of number 2 subject ও tense অনুসারে helping verb বসানো. Number 3 main verb এর V3 বসানো. Number 4 preposition by কিছু কিছু ক্ষেত্রে in, to, at, with বসে. Number 5 active voice এর সাবজেক্টিভ, প্যাসিভ ভয়েস এর অবজেক্ট হয়. আমি এখানে একটি ফরম্যাট দেখিয়েছি যে অ্যাক্টিভ ভয়েস এর সাবজেক্ট, ভার্ব, অবজেক্ট, এটিকে যদি আমরা প্যাসিভে ট্রান্সফার করি তো অবজেক্টকে সাবজেক্ট করছি, সাবজেক্ট হয়ে যাচ্ছে অবজেক্ট, ভার্ব, ভার্ব, অক্সিলারি ভার্ব. সো আই এম writing an example here. I am doing this. This is subject, verb, object. So at first we have to do the active voice এর object কে subject করা. latter subject ও tense অনুসারে helping verb বসানো. This is the present indefinite tense. He writes a letter. So auxiliary verb is used, am, is, are. So a letter is. Number 3 main verb এর V3 বসানো. Main verb writes. So the V3 is written. Then preposition by. And number 5 active voice is subjective, passive voice or object. He, er, object form him. So I am going to write some rules. So look at me. Rules number 1: passive of present indefinite tense and past indefinite tense. The auxiliary verb in present indefinite tense am, is, are, and in past indefinite tense was, are should be used. So the example: he plays cricket. This is the example of present indefinite tense. So auxiliary verb should be used, am, is, are. This is subject, verb, and object. So subject cricket, purpose is singular number, that is why is should be used. Cricket is plays V3 played by him. Number 2 he helped me. I. So this is the past indefinite tense. Auxiliary verb was and were should be used. I was helped by him. I am going to rules number 2: passive of continuous tense, present, past, and future. Helping verb in present indefinite tense am, is, are plus being. Past continuous tense was, were plus being. Future continuous tense shall be, will be plus being. So the example is here: he is reading a book. This is the example of present indefinite tense. So the passive of the sentence is object, a book is. You have to use being. Is being. V3 of reading, read by him. Another example: they were making a kite. This is the example of past continuous tense. The answer is a kite was being. Making of V3 is made. by them. So I am going to rules number 3. So rules number 3 is passive of perfect tense. Present, past and future. Helping verb have as plus been. Past perfect tense had plus been. Future perfect tense shall have, will have plus been. So the example is here. I have bought a pen. I have bought a car. So the passive of the sentence is a car has been bought by me. So dear student, you may ask, in the sentence I have bought a pen, but in the passive voice, why has is used? So if the subject is singular or plural, then you will have to have or has. So the subject card is singular, so the singular verb has is used here. She had done the work. The passive of the sentence, the work had been done by her. So I hope you have understood it clearly. I am going to rules number. So the rules number 4, passive of modal verbs. Modal plus be. So these are the modal verb, and in the sentence there is modal verb. We have to use be and then be3. The example is here. It, modal verb can, and we use be. It can be, and be3 of do is done by him. Another example is we must help him. He must be helped by us. So I am going to. So rules number 5, preposition by is not used. So I have written here some tricks. No, before no, after no we use to, not by. Another ICC, that is I interest, C contain, C combine. After this word we use in. Another pass, we use with or at. With at the time of person, at the time of thing. So P here indicates please or displease. A annoy, S satisfy or dissatisfy, S cease. Another এসএমএসটা পেয়ে ভেক্স অর্থাৎ বিরক্ত না হয়ে গ্লাড হলাম. After this word we have used at. So S surprise, M marvel, S shock, vex and glad. After this word you have to use at. So I am writing here two example of this. He knows me. The passive of the sentence is I am known. So use to him. Another, the news shocked us. So the object us here we. This is past indefinite tense, shocked. So auxiliary verb should be used was and were. We were shocked. So after shocked we have to use at the news. So my dear students and viewers, I hope you have understood it clearly. Thank you for having with me. Stay home, stay safe, and in my next appearance I will come here for taking another topics, another subject. Till then, stay home. Allah Hafiz.